funniest thing just happened. I was stepping out of the pickup, and this guy was running along the step plate, and I just happened to step on him. He's still alive. Put my boot all the way on him. Look at him. Get out of here.
What?
Time to
monitor isn't quite working right because it says it's 75 bushel per acre, and that's wrong too. And my tester was right on with this, wasn't it?
yeah.
Drain tank is 3/4 full already. They just made it down there and back and forth. Just think of that. Putting 2 more rows on how fast it fills up.
Yeah.
14.9, so I know in 2 more hours.
2 more hours?
2 more.
Alright.
We'll try it at 4 o'clock. Oh, 50 and 3. 16.7.
everybody. It is October 15th. We are getting some beans done today. Not a whole lot. It's been kind of wet today because we had a bunch of rain yesterday. So we're just doing the higher ground. And I'm running wagons today. My cousin's in the combine, so I'm running wagons. I'm gonna follow him up there with the Parker wagon. I'm still not very good at hooking wagons up yet, so we're gonna see how many tries this takes. I'm going a little fast. Let's try that. Alright, here we go. Back it up a bit. Actually, I'll take that with me. Okay. So we've done the amount that we can do today. Everything else started getting wet. Not exactly sure what I'm supposed to do here. Guess I'm waiting. Oh geez, he's gonna poke a hole in his truck. Nah, he's okay. So this has been our day. We've been waiting all day. We tried at about, we tried at 2. It's too wet, so came back out about 4:30. We got some stuff done, not a whole lot. Tomorrow we're gonna get stuff done. Tomorrow's actually my birthday, and we'll be getting going then. But my job this year for this field is running the wagons 24/7. I'll be dumping too at the corn crib, at which it's called the corn crib because it was one until we converted it to pulled soybeans. So now that's my job. I'm having fun with that. This wagon is the toughest one to get in there because the hopper barely fits in between the wheels when you get it in the right spot. So I've already unloaded it once. Haven't done a whole lot. So let me see here. This will be fun. Right about, I'm gonna say right about there. Okay, we'll try that. Try this. Might have to back up. Actually, I think I got it. This one's the hardest. Okay, that'll do. Okay. I think we should be good to go. I think. Let's try it. Day one of harvest for me, I guess. First day I've been up here. I don't know how much we got today. I'll just tell you, not a lot. So that's a little disappointment, but we'll be rolling tomorrow. So October 16th, here we come. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.